What's up guys, you're watching the Stitch Show, and if you're new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NW-102379-2. There was an error when connecting to the PlayStation Network. It's a PSN Network error simply. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. So here we go to the simply settings here. Here is the settings, and then we go to the account, user and account. Here you just sign in ID, check your sign in ID is correct, and there's a login setting. You must check your PS4 or 5 is a login or not. And here is a view PlayStation Network services. You must check the server. Sometimes the server is down, so when you're working on the updates, here's the server is working up. If the server is not working, you just wait. If the server is working up, then your local internet provider. Connect with the local internet provider, and here is the advanced settings, frequency settings. You can change the DNS settings, M2 settings. Check the DNS settings, which one is working good in your country. You just put it back here and simply set up a new network connection, and you can use a wired LAN. I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN. You will get the better speed on it. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of network error. It's not connecting, and if is it everything is not working, you just reset or don't do a reset, you just rebuild the database on your PlayStation 5, and after that you just try it again. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of error.